Hello dear subscribers, I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you just receive errors that your account has been disabled on Facebook, so why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So mostly it happens because you just make too many actions at one time, or you just use some websites or some application for increasing your followers and likes. So this is the reason why just Facebook blocked your account. So maybe, in my opinion, the better way is just create new account, because if you just recover this account, so Facebook will allow you less likes and follow less people than usual. And as for me, the better way is just create new account, because uh, it will be difficult for you to use this account again. And just so I think that better way is just create new account. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, hit like, and goodbye.